Hello, I'm Mark Calloway and welcome to the 10th in our video series for Revit Tutorials for Beginners. We're going to have a look today at stairs. We're just going to create a simple stair. As you can see on the screen here, I have two views open. I've just simply tiled those, so you can go to the View tab and you can tile your views here. So we can look at the 3D staircases we created and we can also see the 2D plan view at the same time. On the Architecture tab, Circulation Group, I'm going to select the Stair tool. Once we're inside the stair mode, to complete this we have to click either the green finish or the red X to come out of the stair tool mode. We have a number of options. So we have our draw tools here, but this time instead of lines, arcs and circles, we've got our straight run, full step spiral, center end spiral, L-shaped winder, U-shaped winder, and you can also go into sketch mode where you can custom draw your staircase. But for this example, with it being a beginner's course, we're just going to do a simple straight run with a landing roughly in the middle. So with straight stairs selected, we'll then take a look at the options bar. We can choose whether we're drawing the center line of the stairs, the left hand side of the stairs, right hand side of the stairs. I might choose run right. We can choose whether to offset that, and we can choose the actual run width of the staircase, and I'm going to go with 1200 for this. Looking in the options window, again we can change the type of staircase that we're creating. I'm just going to go with whatever happens to be selected. We're going from level 0 and we're going up to 21, and Revit's calculated we'll need 24 rises to achieve that. Now just to point out, I'm going to have this automatic landing turned on, and Revit should automatically generate us the landing. So what I can do is in my main workspace, left click to start drawing the stairs, and as I move my mouse up we can see how much of the staircase we have drawn. We can also see how far we need to go to get the full 24 rises to get up to level 1. I'm going to stop short, so I'm only going to go about 2000 mils. That's just going to draw in the first leg of the staircase there. I'm going to move my mouse just to the right and we're going to come back on ourselves, so I'm going to left click again, and you should see that Revit draws in this landing. So it's going to try and connect the top of the first part with the bottom of the second part of the staircase. So I'm going to continue to draw in the remaining 15 rises. Left click again, and we now have a path for a simple staircase. Once you're happy with your staircase, click the green finish tick button on the ribbon bar, and Revit will generate the staircase in your model. Thank you for watching.